Hello and welcome to a fresh video. Instead of answering you all on Twitter, I have decided to put it into a quick video presentation and uploaded all the requests that I have received from you. So, you already know these screenshots from visiting my site, capturing all the reasons, what's in it for you, and how much had been throughout all these months hidden behind the paywall, and how you could have been benefiting live, real time instead. Before diving into the charts, I will just say a quick few words about the S&P 500. Friday, on the poor non-farm payrolls, data, manufacturing, and so on, everything lately, we had seen a quick spike that was predictably sold into, and no recovery in sight today pre-market. In my opinion, it's too early to expect a trend reversal. The bottom in equities has not been made, and by equities I mean the two indices, with of course Russell 2000 outperforming, because there is a drummed up expectation for the rate cuts, and you have already seen my extensive weekend analysis where I dive into what would be the Fed's next moves, what had been the index of economics data of economic surprises been telling us. Basically, it's everything looking okay apart from job market and manufacturing, and that's partially as well apart from the debt situation and rising inflation expectations that had been driving yields higher, and is as well part of the pre-elections positioning, let's call it like this. When you go into the latest highlights section on my site, you will see where I had detailed the so-called Trump trades, what would be the alternative Democratic administration implications meaning for the bond market, because these are diametrically opposite. But you had read the analysis already. So let's dive into the first request that I got, which was for Palantir. We see a really strong chart trending higher, very nice channel. It's relatively resilient, and it's kind of mirroring the budding tech outperformance of S&P 500 that we are seeing last couple of days. This is latter innings of a correction, and I view this as under accumulation. So, letting the dust settle, watching the flows, and this is ready to rise in the days ahead. The second one was for PayPal, and this chart is not nearly as strong as the preceding one. I have overlaid the black line, which is financials, and it's suffering from the same boost that this whole sector does, and I view it as questionable, probably not yet having reached its bottom, and there is no confirmed turnaround, so I would not be jumping the gun for accumulation on the long side. Third request that I got was for Tesla, and this is a bullish chart. We had seen quite many candles, it's more than the usual 3 that I would like to see, 3 black crows, and then a similarly long white body candle reversing and encompassing the prior decline. We have not seen it yet, but you see drying up, slowly drying up volume, and it's slowly drying up volume on the downswing, I mean, and it's ready, and that's the working hypothesis, to turn up. So I would be bullish Tesla. Last but not least, for their little talked about, let's say, power business, which is the one profit generator that they are having, and it's really doing well. Final one was for Eli Lilly, and we see quite a disappointing performance lately, even though I'm bullish healthcare for the remainder of this decade, because the population is aging and all those baby boomers will be in need of services, so there will be winning pockets within XLV ticker. But this one is as well under kind of distribution similar to PayPal, but this is looking more vulnerable and more unsettled in the near term than PayPal. It's hard to rank them, but this one I would as well not yet be bullish, because this is true, it's oversold, but it can get oversold still some more. So you are familiar with my site and the offering, be it all-inclusive analysis and market calls with their accompanying Telegram channel, or the stock market one. This is for the first two options, with daily analysis and email updates delivered to your mailbox. And of course you know about our intraday Telegram, which is focusing on the stock market and doing quite some crypto talk as well. And you are familiar with my Twitter handle, and very frequently you can get a faster response to a one-on-one request, communication, question, whatever, when you message me over Telegram. So that's it. Trading story, you are very well aware. All the ups and downs, well, since I broke free, it's just up. Beware of impersonators, and the obligatory disclaimer, and see you soon.